So in India, we have kind of accepted the fact that it is mobile which is going to grow the broadband penetration and not fixed. Over the last 5 years, the fixed subscriber base is static or flat at about 15 million, and the growth is happening in the mobile space. Within the mobile space, the key drivers to grow the penetration would be A, affordability both of network access as well as devices. B, it would be content and applications, getting more and more relevant content and applications for our customers, the local needs, cater to the local needs. And C would be driving coverage in as far as remote locations, rural India as you can, as far as it is feasible. I mean, and obviously across all these levers you have a better experience and better bandwidth, which helps increase the penetration. Because the more the bandwidth, the more the users who hop onto the net. So I believe the key choke point in India is affordable devices. India, the per capita income is just about $100, and today getting a decent device to access broadband is nothing less than $250 to $300. And our target is getting a good broadband device, whether be it a smartphone or a tablet or maybe a laptop, at $100 price point. That's what will really trigger the explosion in India. Unlike maybe Europe or US, where the device cost is 1/5 of your monthly income. In India, it is 3 months of your monthly income. Initiatives like this will only help bring down the device cost. Although I believe Android is already doing a decent job in that direction. So I would not know how relevant or how incremental would the Firefox initiative be. Android is already an open OS, and India has almost a 90% market share for Android. See, we already have the lowest capex per MB and the opex per MB in the world, and that translates into the lowest tariffs in the world. So, for example, our realization or the 1 GB of data, mobile broadband data, is sold in India for just about $2, or I would say €1.5. While here in Netherlands, I see the same thing being sold at €15 per month. So we are almost, 6-7 times lower than the rest of the world. However, the process has to be a regular ongoing process. So some of the initiatives we have which are going to further lower our costs are, one, the active sharing of network among operators, especially when you go to rural. It may not be viable for 4 operators to set up a rural broadband network. So sharing of networks really brings down your capex and opex. Second, we are looking at maybe some video optimization techniques, because very high percentage of mobile broadband traffic is video, and I think if we can optimize that, it will lead to savings in the OPEX. So these are some of the initiatives we have, and I think another key thing would be getting more spectrum, because higher spectrum always leads to lower capex and OPEX. So we are lobbying with the government to give specially subsidized spectrum for mobile broadband in India. So one of the key trends we have taken is the implementation of IPv6. It's like now the time has come for all service providers to really roll out IPv6. Second is the importance of device management, and I think quite a few initiatives we are planning to roll out based on what I have learned here. I plan to roll out in India on effective device management. And lastly, I figured out that home automation is a big opportunity. So home automation is where a lot of focus is going to go. That's that's a key takeaway from here.